Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a Harris 250 Cruiser today. This Harris 250 Cruiser is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Has a nice 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder in the back. Stainless tow bar. Has a large 12-foot bimini top. Plenty of cup holders. Fantastic seating. This is the center walkthrough version. Dual captain chairs. Storage. Large ski locker in the floor. Ample seating in the bow area with speakers and more cup holders. More storage under all the seats in the front. A very nice door with a full-length metal door stop. Very heavy duty. This is the Harris 250 Cruiser. Come by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham. Look forward to working with you. Come by and see us. Give us a call at 704-997-2168.